Hi, I'm Peter. I'm one of the main organizers of the BarCamp Brno conference, and we are using Eventee for it's 40 years with Eventee for us, and we mainly use it because it's paperless and we don't need to print out all the papers to our attendees, and we save a lot of money, and we save the planet with not wasting so much paper, and yeah, that's it.
Hello, I'm Vladimir from SmartSap. I came to BarCamp Brno because I like the event. It's non-profit and there's a nice community feeling here. A lot of young people learning a lot of interesting things. I like to use the Eventee app because I can see the agenda in one place in my mobile app. I can also rate speakers and ask questions to speakers during presentations. Everything is one place. I don't need to print any papers. It's really useful.
Hi, I'm Karel, I'm from Frio, which is project management tool. I am also one of the speakers in BarCamp, and Eventee app is really great because I get feedback from all the people right after my talk, and I can improve later and see who gave me which stars and everything. And Eventee is very good for networking because it's kind of Tinder for conferences. I can match with interesting people and write to them. I highly recommend Eventee. Thank you.